Yes, guys, welcome to another amazing episode of Thompson's Adventure and More. It is a pleasure to be sharing another video. So you guys can like up this video, subscribe, and share. Click that notification bell as well. All right. So in this video, I just want to show you one of my daily routines. I'm boring an engine block. Some cylinders in our engine block, and here we are boring out the holes to fit the sleeve. And as you can see, that's not the final step. The final step is putting in the piston and honing it to the final standard size. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. So Mr. Thompson, tell us, why do we bore and sleeve engine blocks? All right. Over time, the piston and the rings wear the wall of the cylinder, so the hole get big. So in order to bring it back to standard size, like it's a 94 or it's a 92 or it's a 93 millimeter, that is, then you would bore and sleeve it. So if you're having that trouble, what trouble am I referring to? Loud noise, constant overheating, smoking, engine power loss, etc., etc., etc. Then you'll probably need to bore and sleeve the engine or give it a skim or both. Just in case you're watching this and you have a similar problem, just drop a comment and reach out to me. That is it, guys. What a hole.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Yeah, man. You know, I'm gonna visit this thing on daily. You can't look funny. You can't look funny, I go down, you know. You can't look funny, Sean Fatu, I go down, you know.
No, that's it.
My heart skip, man.
Right here, right here.
Madness that, man. Madness is gladness, brother. So I can't look on the thing I go down to, it's scary, man. But it's amazing. Yes, some people, so this is the final step. You know what I mean? Yes, man. I got to with the 1 and 2, you know? Bring it to the final size. So here we have Mr. Bailey.
You can check out his channel on YouTube, guys. We'll go over there and do the right thing.
On YouTube, you know. What's your name again, Bailey? His name Claude Bailey, but if you type in RMC, you will find him. RMC V50.
I'll put the link in the description still.
You find him. Subscribe to the channel and, you know, and do the right thing. Yes, man. So, this is the final stage in a black boring process.